Hey everyone, welcome back to Chemin Vers Growth. If you're new here, I'm Carmela and today we're going to dive into how French can truly change your life. But here's the twist. This isn't just about French. It's about how learning any language can impact different areas of life, build habits, and open up new opportunities. If you've ever considered learning a language or are on that journey already, this one's for you. When it comes to language learning, consistency is key. Setting a goal to learn French or any language for that matter can lead to some pretty incredible changes. One of the biggest shifts that happens is the habit building aspect. Whether it's practicing vocabulary, listening to podcasts, or doing a quick lesson every day, learning a language helps build discipline. Language learning becomes more than just mastering words. It's about showing up every day. That daily commitment helps build routines that aren't just about language but also spill over into other parts of life. It teaches the importance of persistence, patience, and the small wins along the way. Setting goals and gaining motivation. One of the most exciting things about learning a new language is the opportunity to set goals. Real, tangible goals. Whether it's reaching a new level on a language learning app, having a conversation in the language, or watching a movie without subtitles, each milestone can feel like a huge commitment. And once those goals are achieved, there's a rush of excitement to set more bigger ones. Language learning encourages thinking beyond just the language itself and can motivate people to pursue new projects or challenges in other areas of life. It's all about learning how to push your own limits. The impact on speaking. One unexpected thing that happens when learning a language is the impact it has on the way you speak or think in your native language. Ever notice how you start thinking using phrases from the language you're learning? Maybe you're not fluent yet, but certain expressions begin to pop up, sometimes even without realizing it. For instance, in French, the phrase "ça fait du sens" is used for "that makes sense." Over time, my friends began to notice that I was beginning to use it a lot in daily English conversations. Or phrases like, "that's it," "there you go," "oh really," coming from "voilà" or "ah bon," phrases that I never used before. These little phrases from the target language become part of the routine, and it's actually fun how the brain starts mixing up translating and matching languages. Thinking in a new language. Another fascinating shift is the way thinking starts to change. At first, it's all about translating in your head, translating from your native language to French, perhaps. But over time, something cool happens. The brain starts thinking in the new language itself. It's not about a conscious effort anymore. Having full-blown conversations with yourself in your new language becomes second nature. Sometimes it's in those unexpected moments, like when you're out walking and something random happens and you think to yourself, "Mais c'est bizarre, il fait chaud." Or say you're frustrated and your brain may even reach for a swear word in French. It's all part of the immersion, breaking the monotony. Now let's talk about how learning a language helps break the monotony. For many, a daily routine can feel repetitive, work, sleep, repeat, but learning a language can offer something new to look forward to. It's a challenge that keeps the brain engaged and helps shake things up. Instead of starting at the clock waiting for the workday to end, there's now a reason to stay productive, like practicing vocabulary or reviewing grammar in your free time. It adds a refreshing element to the week, helping break up the routine. More opportunities. Learning a language doesn't just open up a new world of conversation. It opens up doors to tangible opportunities. For example, if you live in Canada, knowing French can be a game changer when it comes to residency or immigration. French is one of Canada's official languages, and being bilingual can increase eligibility for certain programs. Check out my videos on using French to immigrate to Canada. And for professional development, the possibilities are endless. Many people have used their language skills to apply for French-speaking jobs, while others have taken on university courses offered entirely in French. All of these opportunities come as a result of learning a language. A newfound love for the culture. Let's not forget the cultural side of things. When learning a language, most resources will include stories with elements of culture, including art, literature, music, history, and current issues in the French-speaking world, opening up a new world of fascinating topics to dive into. There's something magical about understanding not just the language, but also the context behind it. It makes the learning experience richer and more enjoyable. The culture with all its nuances and history becomes just as captivating as the language itself. Over the past 2 years, the more I exposed myself to my target language, the more drawn to the culture I felt. The idea of traveling to the Francophone world and living completely in French became somewhat of a compelling obsession. Anyways, whether it's French, Spanish, Japanese, or any other language, the impact goes beyond just learning vocabulary. It transforms routines, enhances cognitive abilities, opens up professional opportunities, and broadens cultural understanding. For anyone thinking of learning a new language or anyone who already is on that path, remember, it's not just about fluency, it's about the growth that comes with it. If you're on a language learning journey, share your experiences in the comments below. How has learning a language changed your life? Let's chat about it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. A bientôt!